2019 Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.